Joyce Naukwasi. I'm a photographer and a videographer.
My name is Sandra Duko. I am a journalist, a photographer, and a communications practitioner.
Hello, my name is Mwalanges. I'm a photographer. Mostly I do sports photography.
Hi, my name is Miriam. I'm a photojournalist here in Uganda. I do events and documentary photography. Today I've learned a lot of things about lighting, and those include the direction of lights, the intensity of your light and how it affects your photo, and many more.
What does what interesting to you? Hi, Olo.
I learned how to use light in different perspectives. I also learned not to cram, but then master the art of storytelling using light, because sometimes you may think you've used light in a wrong way, and yet actually it tells a good story.
Yeah, it's about understanding. When you understand it, you're able to break the rule nicely.
I've learned how to use lights in a creative way to create mood, to create context, perspective, and emphasis. I've learned you have to be intentional with your lighting.
I've learned to use lights to achieve so many things that includes mood, emphasis, and context in my photos.
Even if I come close to him, yes, the light will be harsh, but it's normal, right?
Now I'm going to change my subject. My subject is going to become my hand, right? Now when I put my hand, even if I put it further,
what I've unlearned today is this mentality of thinking that maybe if I'm using a speed light, it has to always be on my camera.
I put the continuous light like this, and I place the speed light in the board. One, because I could see it will be believable. And then someone has studied light like this, so just keep wondering how it's so nice this picture is. So you can use light to create emphasis. And now there it made sense for my speed light to not have a soft box, to be a smaller source. Because I wanted to target that common place and have hard light on it.
My experience today in one word is amazing.
Incredible.
Interesting.
Beautiful.